Listen, we're talking about gardening here with gardening expert and author Buna Tomalino. Thanks so much for being here again. Love having you here with us. Now, a lot of people are going, darn, I wish I'd planted something in the spring so that I could have some fresh vegetables or fruits or whatever. Is it too late? You're saying it's not.
No, it's not. Actually, you can plant anything if you're going to keep it indoors.
Okay.
Which depends on what light and size of pot and everything like that. But outdoors, you can still plant all the leafy stuff except basil.
Okay.
And probably basil freezes really easily. Everything else can handle at least a light frost. And I have planted spinach in the fall, and it grew a little bit in the next spring. There it is, and it
comes
keeps
back.
growing.
Yeah.
But if you're planting it soon or now, this is just to kind of give you an idea of a raised bed outside.
Okay.
So just pretend it's outside, or it could be in the ground.
Well, it looks like it could be outside, of course.
So we have two kinds of lettuce, a cabbage. This is arugula, which if you're not familiar with.
Arugula, I've heard of it, but I'm not sure what it is.
It's a green you can use cooked or raw. It has kind of a different scent and flavor, but it's a great thing to experiment with. But the big thing is plant what you like, what you will eat, or if you want to try something you haven't had. Now this, the arugula, can be harvested just like this, as like a microgreen, or you can let it get bigger.
Okay.
And cabbage does not have to form a head for you to eat it. You can eat the leaves at any time.
I can eat this right now if I wanted
Yes.
to? Okay, all right. You probably want to cook that, huh?
You can do it either way.
Really? Okay.
Raw cabbage is great too.
Well, we'll
you can
dig
just
in.
cut off the outside leaves if you want. But all those things, whatever growth they get, if it's just big enough, even like any of these sizes, you can go ahead and harvest some of it before frost. But all of the leafy kind of stuff.
Okay, now this is a tomato plant, isn't it?
No, actually it's mint.
It looks like a tomato plant.
It's a lime mint. So mint's easy to grow inside or outside in a pot. As far as growing indoors, I have a pepper plant that's about 3 feet tall that I move inside and out. So I'll move it inside before frost, and it's not an annual, it just dies because it freezes.
Buna, where can our viewers get a look at your stuff and find out more about what they can and can't plant?
Well, I have a website, gardeninspire.com. I have some books I've written. These are more herbs and things like that. I have some upcoming gardening classes, which are listed on my website, and some other events too. So if they want to kind of, and there's lots of free information on my site, so they can get lots of information there. They can attend some of my classes. Some of them are free that are coming up.
That's great. Buna Tomalino, thanks so much for being here. We do appreciate your tips. So you